Next, let's talk about hair colors and hair textures. Any hair color imaginable, including any percentages of any gray. You can mix one color, you can mix more than one color to create your own coloring look or tones. You can also low light colors or highlight colors. You can put 60% of one color and 40% another. So it gives you unlimited creativity in coloring. Plus, it's human hair, so you can color it any way you want to alter the color if your client wishes. Next, hair textures. Unlimited hair textures. The hair textures that are offered are in steps, from straight to slightly wavy to more wavy to different degrees of curls to all the way to kinky straight or kinky hair, perm straights, every texture imaginable. Now, both something with hair coloring and hair texturing that's very unique. Because the microstrand blends one hair in between your client's hair, one hair at a time, what that means is you can match the hair color or you can alter the hair color. You can put a completely different color, blend it between your client's hair, or of course match their hair color. But if you put a different color, it'll come out like highlights automatically because the microstrand has one hair at a time, equally distributed. It gives you that flexibility. Same with hair texture. If you have a hair texture that the client likes, you match it. If the client wants to alter it and wishes the hair texture was straighter or wavier or curlier, you can actually select a different hair texture, and when it blends in, they dilute each other and become a texture in between. So you're gonna have unlimited creativity with colors and also with hair textures.